Wendy Baum here with Sothebys, welcoming you into Unit 203 of Casa Playa. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, oceanfront condo. I'm so excited to show you around. You know, in most condominiums that are oceanfront, the master bedroom gets the great view, and then the guest bedrooms really don't have one. The neat thing about this part of Cocoa Beach, in the southern part, the island gets very thin, and from this unit in both the guest rooms, you have a beautiful view of the Banana River. So let's go see bedroom number 2. These units also have one-car garages one parking space in the garage underneath the building, so your car will be protected. And then notice the beautiful balcony, enjoying your coffee. So this part of Cocoa Beach again is about 4 miles south of the 520 Causeway. You're just a little bit north of the Pineda Causeway. You're situated right in between Satellite Beach and Cocoa Beach proper. So you're about 9 minutes from the Cocoa Beach Publix and about 10 minutes from the Satellite Beach Publix. You're also close to some of the best schools in the state of Florida. That as we're coming through the hallway, I want you to know that over on your left is your full-size bath and laundry area for the guest rooms. Now we're gonna walk into the kitchen. This is a great space. You've got cabinetry surrounding you, lots of countertop area with granite countertops, and the eat-in breakfast area with views of both the river and the ocean at the same time. You even get that beautiful view of the ocean through that pass-through. Now we're gonna walk into the living room and dining room. Got a full-size dining table overlooking the living area. Nice big open space. And now we're gonna walk into the master. Master has a great shape that really embraces the ocean view. You've got the laminate wood floors in here as well. And from the master bedroom, you're just looking out over the ocean. The foliage here is not to be matched. It's just sea oats, beautiful natural beach foliage area, and a nice wide beach down there. Your master bath has a soaking jetted tub, twin closets, a shower, and a water closet. So come on out. We're gonna go see this balcony and look at this beautiful view that you have out here. It's nice and wide, plenty of space for a table and seating. You're in a southeast corner unit here, which is the most highly desirable type of a unit to be in. You get unsurpassed views of the beach and the ocean. Really something quite breathtaking. So I'd like to thank you guys for visiting Unit 203 in Casa Playa. And now we're going to be going over to Unit 201 and see Brandy. She's going to show you what's to offer over there. Have a great day, and thanks for joining us. Check out that view from this beautiful condo, second